Today I'm going to be reviewing this Modern Flute Wine Cabinet. I like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing process, the assembly process, and I'm also going to be showing you the amazing features of this wine cabinet. So if you've been wanting something that looks nice but also helps keep everything organized, like bottles, glasses, snacks, even your coffee setup, then this is for you. So let's go ahead and open it up, put it together, and see how it looks once it's done. So right out of the box, everything's packed neatly. Everything was labeled clearly, so this made the setup super simple. I went ahead and ensured everything was in order. All the screws, tools, and the instructions are included, along with the pre-drilled holes to make sure that they lined up perfectly. The boards feel solid with a smooth finish, and putting it together, although you could assemble this alone, I would personally recommend you do it with a partner. This made it so much easier and the process went along smoothly. As soon as you start building it, you can tell it is well made, and the fluted panel design gives it a really clean, modern look. Once it's built, it instantly upgrades your space. The fluted detailing adds texture and depth, mixing that mid-century vibe with a sleek, modern style. It is about 47 inches wide, 36 inches tall, and 15 inches deep. Compact enough for most rooms, but still plenty of storage. The top surface is wide and sturdy, great for decor, a coffee maker, or even serving drinks when your guests come over. You've got 3 doors up top, perfect for utensils, napkins, corkscrews, or even the little things you don't want cluttering up the counter. The middle section has a built-in rack, up to 9 wine bottles, and a 12-bottle holder underneath for your favorite wines or mixtures. On each side, there are 2 doors with adjustable shelves, giving you the space for taller bottles, bar tools, or snacks. You can even remove the racks if you want to rearrange or use it as a coffee bar instead. The quality really stands out. The surface is smooth and durable, made to resist scratches and everyday wear. The rounded corners make it safer if you have kids or pets, and the solid wood legs keep it sturdy and balanced. I also like the soft drawers and gold handles. They give it that little touch of luxury without being too flashy. What I like the most is how versatile it is. You can use it as a wine bar, buffet cabinet, or even a sideboard in your dining room or hallway. It fits pretty much any decor style, modern, cozy, or minimalist. Once it's styled with some bottles, glasses, maybe a few candles or flowers, it looks like something out of a home design magazine. The light wood tone is really easy to match with other furniture and brightens up the room nicely. Overall, the fluted wine cabinet feels high-end, functional, and super practical for the price. If you've been wanting to organize your space or create a little home bar setup, this is definitely a solid pick. So now that I've showed you all the amazing features of this wine cabinet, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below for you. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.